Hello, never done one of these before. It's a room tour. You ready? Say hello. The room is 7223. And this is Pam Pam and Nanny showing.
Oh, look, you got your washing machine.
Oh wow, look, yeah. I didn't think we'd get that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, you said you would. Right, so we've got laundry. And then we've got Grace and Kurt. They've got a bathroom. It's quite nicely decorated. This feels very nice. This is all very surreal. Our first ever DVC room. You've got a kitchen, toaster, all the good stuff. Let's do the kitchen first. Coffee, who cares? It's not real. It's not tea. Nikki will be slaving over the stove, won't you, darling? Did you put any beers in the fridge? No, no beers in the fridge. Ice maker if you need it. Now then, nice cutlery. Proper wine glasses. Now we're talking. This is what we're thinking. Oh yeah. Cutlery. Dishwasher. Is that a dishwasher? Must be. Yeah. Dishwasher. Then the table, which will we use it? We might do. Obviously that's the best thing. Robotham and Hammond. That's quite spooky. I'm presuming that changes into a bed. Shall we have a look?
They all do.
Yeah, no, that's it. That obviously is a double bed. And we get the car park view. Fantastic.
You got some seats out there.
We got. Oh, actually, should we do that? We got a double balcony. That's nice, isn't it? So that's where Grace and Kurt are, because they're late or on the second flight, and this is where Nikki is. Say hello, Nanny.
Who needs a shower desperately?
Yes, we are so
Grubby.
travelled. It's currently 4:15 local time, which is what time is that at home?
It's 9:15.
9:15 at home. And we've been going since 5 a.m. and I was explaining this to the woman in reception. So we've been going from 11 p.m. last night, your time, which is suddenly puts it into context. So telly, birthday card. Is it somebody's birthday? Who could that be? And then obviously USBs and all the good stuff. I feel like a proper vlog. This is the deal. Lillian, look at this. It's massive. The tub is a jacuzzi tub.
Yeah.
Outstanding. And I love that. Have you seen the artwork? Nick,
No.
need to turn the light on. Get a full appreciation of that. Well, that's pathetic. That's a very bright light. Didn't make a bit of difference. You just turned it off.
Oh, sorry.
And a huge
No
shower.
light in the shower.
How do you turn the lights on in the shower?
Or is that? Ah, there you go. There you are.
Look at this. That is amazing. I might spend the weekend in the shower. Look at that. You can see. Oh my word, that's luxury. That is really nice.
You got safe.
And then throne room, single Oh my god, we're slumming it. Just one sink, Nick. Aren't we?
Actually, making this moisturiser.
Pardon? Say that again.
Oh yeah, good.
Oh, is that...
No, I want it moisturiser. I bring it.
So, Nanny's very happy, James. Lillian. We'll send you this. This time next year we'll be doing it with you guys as well. How exciting! See you later.